Imagine two friends, Sarah and Jessica, growing up in the same neighborhood. They went to the same schools and had similar opportunities. Now, years later, their lives look very different. Sarah struggles financially, living paycheck to paycheck. Jessica, however, is thriving. She runs her own business and enjoys financial freedom. What's the difference? Was it luck? Was Jessica simply more talented? The answer might surprise you. It's not about luck or talent. The real difference between Sarah and Jessica is their mindset, specifically their money mindset. Money mindset is your unique set of beliefs and attitudes about money. It's the invisible script running in the background of your mind, influencing every financial decision you make, often without you even realizing it. It's how you think about earning, spending, saving, and growing wealth. These thoughts shape your habits, your confidence, and even your willingness to take risks or try new strategies. Your money mindset acts like a filter, shaping how you see the world and the choices you make. It can either open doors to new possibilities or hold you back from reaching your goals. For Jessica, her money mindset is positive and abundant. She approaches her finances with optimism and believes that there's always a way to improve her situation. She sees opportunities where others see obstacles and is always looking for creative solutions to grow her wealth. She believes in her ability to create wealth and manages her money wisely, setting clear goals and tracking her progress regularly. Sarah, on the other hand, has a scarcity mindset. She often feels anxious about her finances and doubts her ability to get ahead. She worries about money constantly, feeling overwhelmed by bills and expenses. She sees herself as bad with finances, which makes her avoid dealing with money matters whenever possible. As a result, she often makes impulsive decisions that keep her stuck in the same cycle, unable to break free and build the financial future she wants. Your money mindset isn't something you're born with. It's formed over time, influenced by your upbringing, experiences, and the messages you received about money growing up. Did your parents argue about bills? Were you told money doesn't grow on trees? Or maybe you witnessed family members achieve financial success through hard work and smart decisions. All these experiences, big and small, contribute to your current money mindset. The tricky thing about money mindset is that it often operates on a subconscious level. We're not always aware of the beliefs and assumptions that are driving our financial decisions. This means you might be sabotaging your own financial success without even realizing it. You might be saying yes to unnecessary purchases or avoiding investing because deep down, you believe you're not good with money or that rich people are greedy. Here's the good news. Understanding your money mindset is honestly the first step towards changing it. Once you become aware of limiting beliefs, you can start to challenge and replace them with empowering ones. Let's dive into 5 key differences between a rich mindset and a poor mindset. As you listen, pay attention to which mindset really resonates more strongly with you. This will help you identify areas where you can start shifting your thinking. First up, let's talk about opportunities versus obstacles. This is one of the most fundamental differences between a wealthy mindset and a poor one. The way you see the world shapes the way you act in it. A rich mindset sees potential in everything, even in situations that seem challenging or uncertain. They look for hidden possibilities and are always searching for ways to turn setbacks into stepping stones. Challenges actually become exciting opportunities for growth and innovation. Instead of shying away from difficulties, they embrace them, knowing that every problem holds the seed of a new solution or breakthrough. On the other hand, a poor mindset focuses on the negative, seeing only roadblocks and reasons why something just won't work. They often get stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and fear, which keeps them from moving forward. Second, time versus money. A rich mindset values time as the most precious resource, understanding that how you spend your hours ultimately shapes your life. They understand that time, unlike money, cannot be earned back. Every moment is an investment, and they choose to spend it wisely, on growth, relationships, and experiences that matter. They delegate tasks and invest in their productivity, freeing up time to focus on what truly moves the needle in their lives and businesses. But a poor mindset trades time for money, often stuck in the cycle of working long hours for little reward, believing that hard work alone is the only path to success. Third, spending versus investing. A rich mindset prioritizes investing in assets that appreciate over time, like businesses, real estate, or education. They know that building wealth is about planting seeds that will grow and multiply in the future. Meanwhile, a poor mindset focuses on immediate gratification, spending on things they really can't afford and accumulating debt, often sacrificing long-term security for short-term pleasure. Fourth, blame versus responsibility. A rich mindset takes full responsibility for their financial situation, recognizing that their choices and actions shape their outcomes. They learn from mistakes and are always looking for ways to improve, seeing every setback as a lesson rather than a defeat. A poor mindset blames external factors like the economy, their upbringing, or even luck for their financial struggles, giving away their power to change. And finally, fixed versus growth. This is the mindset that determines whether you believe your circumstances can change. A rich mindset believes in abundance and knows that wealth can actually be created, not just inherited or stumbled upon. They are always learning, growing, and adapting to new information, understanding that personal development is the key to unlocking new opportunities. A poor mindset believes that money is limited, and they are destined to be poor, never realizing that their beliefs are often the biggest barrier to their own financial freedom. These different mindsets play out in every area of life. Someone with a rich mindset might negotiate a raise, start a side hustle, or invest in a financial education course. They are proactive about building wealth and see setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. But someone with a poor mindset might stay in a dead-end job they hate, complain about their lack of money, and make impulsive purchases that keep them in debt. They feel powerless to change their situation and often give up before they even start. The good news is that your money mindset is not set in stone. You have the power to change your beliefs and create a more abundant future. It all starts with awareness, followed by consistent effort to shift your thinking and actions. Remember Sarah and Jessica? Their stories are not over. Sarah can choose to challenge her limiting beliefs, develop a growth mindset, and start making different choices. It's never too late to rewrite your financial story. Here are 3 simple steps you can take today to begin shifting into a wealth mindset and start transforming your financial future. These steps are practical, easy to implement, and can make a real difference over time if you stick with them. First, watch your language. Pay close attention to the words and phrases you use when you talk or even think about money. The way you speak about your finances shapes your beliefs and actions. Replace negative phrases like, "I can't afford it," with empowering ones such as, "How can I make this happen?" This simple shift in language opens your mind to new possibilities and solutions. Second, study wealthy people. Read books, listen to podcasts, or attend seminars by successful entrepreneurs and investors. Surround yourself with positive financial influences. Learn from their experiences, observe their mindset, and model their habits. Notice how they approach challenges and opportunities, and adapt those strategies to your own life. And third, take small actions. Even tiny steps can build momentum and help you feel more in control of your finances. Start with manageable steps like creating a budget, setting clear financial goals, or automating your savings each month. Consistency is key, so keep moving forward. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small, and watch your confidence and financial mindset grow stronger with every step you take. Remember, you are not defined by your past experiences or current financial situation. You have the power to choose a different path, a path of abundance, prosperity, and financial freedom. It won't be easy, but honestly, it will be so worth it. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch your life transform. Now, I want you to take a moment to reflect. What is one limiting belief you have about money? And what is one small action you can take today to start changing that belief? Write it down, make a plan, and take that first step towards creating the financial future you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.